Sometimes you're just there. Right place, right time. Happened to me a few weeks ago, just before sunrise. Ironically, I had been here before. Oh yes, many times. Started taking my kids here about 15 years ago. Kayaking the Mountain Fork River, tubing Broken Bow Lake, exploring the nooks and crannies of this incredible place. There is a reason a couple of million people a year visit this national wonder in southeast Oklahoma. The only place between here and Colorado you can fish for rainbow and brown trout in a real mountain stream. Yes, they come by the thousands, those with their fly rods and baits. They started building this place way back in the 1930s. Some of the old cabins are still here. But mostly it's the log cabins that dominate the Ouachita Mountains. Nearly 1,000 of them. Beautiful places to stay. Built, most of them, in the last 20 years by folks from Dallas, Fort Worth, Tulsa, Oklahoma City, even Shreveport. But there is no place in Beavers Bend quite like this place. For decades, it was the site of a fisherman's cabin, built here between two massive bluffs, at the place where the Mountain Fork River bends to the left and gives you morning wake-up calls that, well, you really do have to see and hear to believe. They call it Thunderbird Lodge, a tribute to the Indians, I guess, who walked this way 1,000 years ago, maybe longer. But there is nothing rustic about Thunderbird. If you were to tire of your balcony view, there is this mountain stream, just a short walk to your left. On your right, a hike up the bluff, and you are greeted with this. A front row seat to one of the Arklatex natural wonders.